In today's video, I'm going to teach you Hostinger Horizons tutorial, build web app with AI, no code. If you've ever felt that building a website or a full web application takes months, this walkthrough will change that. We're going to use AI inside Hostinger Horizons to go from idea to a launch-ready app in minutes, and I'll show you how to prompt it so you don't end up with a generic template. First, create your Hostinger Horizons account using the link below and click Start for free. Once you're in the Horizons dashboard, you'll see a chat area. This is where you describe what you want the AI to build. A single sentence like, create a personal finance tracker will work, but it usually produces a basic result. To get a unique, fully featured app, we'll feed the AI a product requirements document. That's simply a clear description of how your app should look, what features it includes, and how it should behave. To speed this up, use the prepared prompt in the description. Before you run it, add 3 things: your basic app idea, your preferred app name, and the build type. Here, a web app. Copy the completed prompt, open your favorite AI chatbot, paste it in, and let it generate the full product requirements document for you. Now return to Hostinger Horizons, paste that document into the chat, and send it. The AI may ask for a few preferences such as your currency and date format. Answer those, and it will begin building. You'll see the chat on the left and a live preview of your app on the right. When the first build phase completes, test it right away. Click Get Started for free, create a user with your details, and confirm you land on a working dashboard. In the Data tab, you can verify that the user record has been saved. Head back to the preview to continue. If you notice any issues, say a duplicate header, just describe the problem in the chat and ask the AI to fix it. You can even upload a screenshot. Horizons will read it and apply the correction. Repeat this build and test cycle for the remaining phases until everything looks and works the way you want. When you're ready to launch, click Publish. Choose a plan that fits your needs. The starter option typically includes generous AI credits and a domain for a year. Select your term, apply any coupon you have, complete checkout, then click Publish Changes. Open View Site and test sign up again to confirm everything is live. To replace the temporary URL with your own, click Connect to a custom domain in Horizons, enter the domain you want, and connect it. Refresh your site to see the new address. That's it. You've built and launched a full web app with AI and no code. If this helped, subscribe and drop your questions in the comments.